Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Telegram this group cannot be displayed. So if you want to fix Telegram group cannot be displayed, here's a quick step on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do to be able to fix the Telegram group cannot display is you to log in on your browser using the Telegram web version. So for you to do that, you have to open your Telegram on your web browser. So you just go to web.telegram.org. Once you open, then put your number, then come back to your Telegram app, to confirm to get the confirmation code, then put it in there, then you can have access like this. Then you should have something like this on your home screen. Then click on the three lines icon, click on it, then click on settings. Then this will open your settings. Then scroll down to privacy and security, click on it, and scroll down a little. Then you make sure that you toggle on this sensitive content. So make sure you check if yours is turned off, then toggle it on. Then this will not hide any content from your group or your chat list that can't be displayed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.